legs, yeah. So give thanks.
Your manners and respect, yes, sir.
Yeah.
One love. Yankee again, yeah, one love, same way, family.
Yeah.
One love again.
Feel David, yeah, everything go.
Kino, motion.
Alright, here, Daddy?
Mama. Sure you are going, gosh, no wrong.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A Kino. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them not like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me, try so hard then want me feel, want me pop down and lose my faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
Give thanks, yeah? Big up Yankee.
Yeah, yes,
Yankee.
And I want Stumpy, yeah, man.
Yeah, Stumpy.
Thanks, yes, sir.
Yeah.
Many thanks, yes, sir, thank you.
Alright, give thanks.
You drink the soup already?
But I myself can't show that on video neither.
Yeah. No likes to cook.
Alright, yes, Kana?
Yeah, sir. Yeah.
Yeah, welcome but keep on doing the work, yeah, so we'll see you again. God bless you all. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. God bless you all. Yes, sir.
$3,000 for your training from the singing wizard from the UK. That's from the singing wizard, because I'm always like when you're polite and everything and always there for you. Still him, so I'm like when you talk.
Yeah. Singing wizard from Chin. Just really appreciate it very, very much. Thanks a lot. On behalf of Tata and Sid, really appreciate it, and many thanks again to the drink.
One of the Ellis then, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
one of the Ellis. Oh! A long time we hear about the Ellis, you know? So we know them and we hear about them from Alton, from the father, from straight down to Georgia, to everybody, to Alton, to Christopher, to everybody. We know the whole family. Story there with we, so we give God thanks. And my friend again, and Bobby Leach, we all know the Ellis, and when the kids them go straight down. Many thanks, give thanks. Much love. Yeah, man, thanks.
Alright, yeah, Tata.
Yeah, man. Yes, sir. Come on.
Alright, though, yeah, Marley? Put the body pan window here. Open that fire up here. Alright, you hear Marley? Alright, take care. Get your legs, yeah. So give thanks.
Your manners and respect, yes, sir.
Yeah.
One love. Yankee again,
yeah,
one love, same way, family.
Yeah.
One love again.
Big David, yeah, I think so.
Kino, motion.
Alright, here, Daddy?
Mama. Show you what I'm going, because she ram good food, you know.
Yeah.
See that? Sit down. Let me say she ram good food. As when anything she know want, she call me and tell me, say,
She don't want to work.
come take it up, you know. Dream team.
One team.
One team. Manners.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Alright, Mama.
Big up yourself.
Say, big up yourself. Take care.
Jay.
Yeah.
Massive Dread son.
Good life.
Foundation youth.
She not even know, brother.
The whole world know about Massive Dread, you know.
Yeah.
And we're up on Bob Marley Street,
The
First
world
Street.
soon know about we too. Kite happen.
That,
You see me I say? We could just get to the chase right away because I have a look upset stomach, so I kind of get the soup. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So,
Coming back. So this are the field where
yeah.
known for Bob Marley sons them and also Bob Marley play upon. And also we the dream team and
Yeah.
the youth in the community.
I teach you to play.
I teach you to play this field here. So this is the condition of the
Yeah.
field for the community.
Yeah.
And JJ have 1 and 2 plans and we that need some little help on.
Yeah.
You know, where it can help enhance the community, which is the young generation them growing up. You know, because we know before when I was young, I was used to be a dirt.
Be a dirt.
But now I
Just
see
more.
effort what we've been doing over the years. Yeah, so I want you to explain to the people them and the donor them
Yeah.
and to the public eyes what we can really get done towards this field, like how we can help enhance it for the future generation as how it is now. So I want you to tell them the history of this field, yeah, and the work you've been putting in.
Alright. First and foremost, good evening donors, good evening world.
Yeah.
See me I say? As Kino said before, this our time pass. I just run where I run off lose weight.
Yeah.
We have a portion of youngsters who are come and we learn to play upon dirt. You know what I mean? So my passion is to make them learn how to play upon grass.
Yeah.
You see me I say? So as you can see it fence.
Yeah.
Yeah? It never fenced before in a history. So it fence.
Right round now.
It fence based upon the energy that me and some set of youth put in. Alright? Where go up on the sidewalk and
Yeah.
scrape off the grass then. You shovel scrape off the grass
and come plant them. If you don't know me, I have a Kino on my Facebook. Keep me a Kino friend on Facebook, so you can look on some of my video them just for extra proof to see where it come from.
Yeah.
Because first, the first place we plant grass at right in the middle there, so.
Right in the middle there, so.
Yeah, and we run a hose from over there, so come to it. And then God bless me with about 3 months worth of rain.
Yeah.
So it make the ground soft.
Yeah, yeah.
So each time I come from work, I just roll up the youth them, get the barrow and the shovel, dig off grass off of the sidewalk and come plant.
Yeah.
So this is how we get out tight.
Yeah, so far.
And we have limited resource, so we have 12 sprinkler under the ground. Yeah?
12.
We that used to maintain it back then.
Yeah.
Back then meaning like a year ago.
Yeah.
So from government said them have come fix the fence, the pump end up burn up, so it go up on a pause. However, we still get some rain, so that's why you see grass there now.
Yeah, yeah.
So my thing is right now we need to get back the irrigation system up. Where my 3 horsepower pump burn up.
Yeah, yeah.
You know what I mean? And then me have other personal issues when I have to sort out. But me know when me sort out my personal issues, but when I come back to this, it gone back to dirt.
Yeah, yeah.
That's why me I use Kino up now to show me say boy, a really urgent thing I want to do. We're putting back the sprinkler system so we can turn on back the sprinkler them and get water all over the pitch. Now me go carry go show you where the water source was.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So and we have water. So water not the problem.
We have Pablo there.
And so we have Pablo, as Kino say.
Yes,
yeah,
from
man,
Canada.
So we are going to go round to this. The water here already there.
Yeah.
Turn on the pipe.
Yeah.
And show you say really and truly I just sprinkler out our way. As I say, the only thing that elude me now is the pump.
Pump.
The 3 horsepower pump, but we need to push the 12 sprinklers.
Okay.
Once we get that,
yeah.
I would need a chucker topside, because see, if we get the topside, the grass grow easier.
Yeah, yeah.
Because this is sand.
So how much for a pump?
Alright, the 3 horsepower pump up at 8 motors, it will run about roughly about 60,000.
For 3 of them?
No man, for one
of them, okay.
At the horsepower, 3 horsepower.
Yeah.
So it's about 60,000. And then when you look now, the truck at top side like a run about probably about 10,000.
10,000.
Yeah,
okay.
like 6,000 feet and then 4,000 for deliver it.
Yeah, yeah.
So basically like that. Once we get the pump and the topsoil, and if enough donors come in, we can get some grass seed as well.
Okay.
Yeah, because grass seed would help. Because once you put the topsoil, everywhere when the grass are there, we just put the grass seed, we just sprinkle the grass seed, and then we just lock the park.
Yeah,
and we go for 1 6-month break.
Yeah.
And just straight watering. And we get a proper plain surface.
Yeah.
There's a pump there.
No, no pump, man. A sprinkler. It's just the pump I illusion out.
Yeah.
So once we get the pump better and the top side, tops. If the grass seed come, additional power. You know what I mean? So basically, it's a good look, man. Because from where it come from, brother, as I say, when we did the young Kino, we did dirt, we never know grass could have grown.
No, we never know grass could have grown. And really like the work we do already so far, you see me?
Yeah.
So really like the work we do so far, you see me? So as I say, we are going to ask to do them because this is from First Street of Bob Marley and his sons them grew up playing on, you see me?
Yeah, Bob Marley feel the same son and Bob Marley play by
come in JJ.
So as I say, come, I want to show you which part of the water, which part of the pump over there.
Yeah. So the main thing we want to get is the pump and the top style.
Pump and the top side.
So that's the main thing I want to ask.
And if we can get the grass seed, but the pump and the top side are the more important.
Yeah.
And we don't have grass already. Alright, so big up again.
Yeah.
Keep safe all donors, because remember now, virus wicked.
Yeah.
So we have to always tell them safe to make sure so them safe. Protect themselves. Alright, so
give thanks.
That look like it. Alright?
Give thanks, yeah.
General.
Pablo is here watching the football.
Moment.
Put it down, man. Put it down, man. Oh, move down the lamp. Oh, man, wait too long. Forget the man.
Marvin, come back around yourself. Yeah man, big up yourself. Ozzy, all the way from Florida.
Yeah man.
Well, I never get a chance to come to TrenchTown because I'm kind of busy. So we're there in the half tree and make sure him come meet us. And I'm going to give for the wow chef. And Ozzy, well I appreciate what you have done. Thank you for watching the program. And thank you for your support. So Ozzy will provide us with a grocery bag.
20 pound of rice, seed, salt, oil, pasta, other little things. The wow chef. Italian spice.
Italian spice.
Yeah man, the spice. Whoa.
Yeah, so we're there in the half tree. You see me? Only for respect for that.
Yeah man, I love man. I keep the unity going. I mean, don't listen around with that. Stay strong and focus, you know?
Every time.
It's an example for all of the other parishes with young people to come together, you know? Yeah man, a blessings man.
Yeah man, give thanks man.
Yeah man.
And you say you also have a donation fee as well.
Yeah man. See that? See that. We wow, that's 10 G.
10 G for the wow chef.
Yeah man, for the wow chef.
Yeah man, let's count them to 10.
Yeah man, see them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Yeah, so that's for the wow chef. So
yeah,
as we reach down now at the wow chef.
Yeah, man.
Plus all the music can affect the video we had with the play a while ago, the usher.
Yeah.
But with them think they are copyright, so
yeah.
So yeah man, so well appreciate man as a man, you see me?
Yeah man.
And keep up the support man, you see me? We can't thank you enough because the donor make this thing possible as well.
So, when you say good things in a man, you have to continue the journey in a brother. Each one help one in a brother. Strength and unity we deal with in a brother. You know, if we follow the Bible, we can't go wrong, you see me?
True.
Yeah man, same principle man, I'm up with the Zagaza. And the hero, man. You know, I was walking down and you know, you got man.
The hero himself.
The hero. TrenchTown.
I know enough love to the world, man. Enough love to the donor, them, man.
Yeah.
Without them, man,
Could it be?
It's a them bill we.
Yeah.
Blessings again.
Blessings, man.
And I'm big up to Kino, the head of the team, you know. God bless you, keep you and look down on you, brother, every day, brother.
Give thanks.
One team, one dream, and one strength.
Alright, yes, I would say one team, dream team. You understand? One way.
Dream team.
All the way.
One team.
Bikes. Even the love you one.
I'm coming out there.
How you get that?
I don't know.
Like kitchen, man. Yeah, what we have we get some like, oh chef.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, so there we have some goodies for you.
Yeah, man.
You see me? Well, as I say, my friend.
Yeah.
Well,
It's a cheese, you know.
Them have a name too, but you don't know to throw a yassa with it.
Yeah, man.
Yes, throw a yassa with it. Me I make sure so them come in the kitchen. Because I like to eat and I have some eat at the time.
So put in a barrel and
yeah, so they will give thanks to Gritel. Yeah, from Canada. For most of these goodies. So this is our oatmeal. I think this is flour. So this is from Gritel. What's this, flour? And this is flour. Yeah. All purpose. If this is all purpose, you can fry as well too and so boil. So give thanks from Grittel.
Grittel. You have a whole for respect Grittel, you know?
Yeah.
From Canada.
Yeah, so what this? So it's Grittel from Canada.
Yeah, man, Grittel from Canada.
So bag of rice. Brown rice. The man I'm going to start learning to eat healthy. You see me, bro, mom?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, that brown rice, that brown rice.
So you know how to cook it, man?
Yeah, man, you know, brown rice. Yeah, man, can cook it for other people, you know. You see?
And see them, you know?
Yeah, man.
Turn on that one, brown bread. Turn on that brown bread. There's a porridge of a boil. Alright. Oh, tall pea that there, it's a tall pea farming. Tall pea. Yeah. And this now, we have some ground food. Yeah. And this is from Deacon. This is from Deacon from Mandible. Deacon all the way from Mandible. Yeah.
That's where you get up.
Oh, yeah, Justin.
Yeah, man, thing.
Yeah, man.
So this is from Deacon from Mandible, then I come from. Big up yourself, Deacon.
Big up in a Deacon. One love in a man. No respect, you see it? Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Yeah. Deacon.
Yeah, man, sweet potato can make a pudding like, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, sweet potato can make a little pudding, you know? Deacon, all for respect, you know, because holiday now can make a little pudding for the team, you know?
Yeah.
See it?
We have enough sweet potato can make a pudding for the team.
Shit.
Yeah, man, team pudding. And tomorrow at Wednesday or Thursday, we'll great for them, yeah. Because it does start great for them and Deacon. Yeah, we'll build a pudding for the team, you know.
Alright.
I'll build a pudding for the team, man. I'll build a pudding for the team.
Yeah, man. So, what do you
Green banana, them,
Green
yeah?
banana.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you have banana.
Yeah, only for respect, yeah, Deacons.
Yeah, Deacon. Big up yourself, Deacon, from Mandeville.
Mandeville. Yeah, man, respect for the yam, you see?
Yeah.
Yellow yam, you know. Deacon from Mandeville.
Big up yourself.
Big up again, yeah?
Yes, cheers.
Yeah, man. So for your support the gym team and ground food, you know?
Yeah. And blessings to Grittel for the groceries.
From
Canada.
From Canada, you know.
Holy respect. Wow, and we have some more goodies up here as well too. We have some more goodies here, and this is from the Spikes is here. And this is from
yeah, man,
it's from Azzy.
Spikes, you know.
Remember Azzy, I tell you, see that one, the complete one, have everything in it.
Yeah, man.
So this is how MC used to use, no?
Yeah, man, Azzy, see that Spikes, I love where you send it back for me, you know. Yeah, man, Azzy, man. The special Spikes, you know.
Azzy from the US.
Get the thing up and running, Azzy. Only for respect, you know.
Big up yourself, and see that season, you know, him say that one here, are the complete one of everything in it.
Ah, Azzy, this is the complete one of everything. Only and garlic, you know. Yeah, man, Azzy, man. Only for respect, you know.
So then you see the big bag of rice. The rice, yeah.
Boy, I always.
Yeah.
Big bag of rice and oil and everything.
Yeah, man, Azzy.
So we give thanks to Azzy from the US.
Yeah, Azzy from the US. Only for respect, you know.
We have Marvin just meet him a while ago, half a tree.
The man a cry.
Tears, the man a cry because the man love what we are doing.
The man a cry.
I know Azzy style.
Yeah.
You see me?
Azzy, if I want the man half a tree.
I know Azzy, man. I'm crying, you know, Azzy. Oh, send on Azzy, man. For the team, you know.
Love the team, brother.
Yeah, man. We have some charity going for the whole people. Get it lined up in there, you see, Azzy. Respect in Azzy, respect in Azzy.
So you also have $10,000 from Azzy as well.
Azzy style.
The county.
Azzy. Yeah, man, Azzy. All the respect, you know, for the holiday, man. You see, Azzy. You see me? Yeah, Azzy. Enough respect, you know, Dada. Yeah, man.
Man, say, love the team.
Yeah, man. There was a more thing for the team, you know, Azzy.
Yeah, man.
You see me?
So you have a big eye there.
I know you're going to Azzy, because I know there's a part you put on right. I know you know where to go, so I know. You see me? Yeah, man, Azzy, man. All the respect and love, you know.
Right, from Azzy.
Yeah, man, Azzy, man. You see me? Azzy, all the respect, you know, from Canada. Yeah, man, Azzy, man. You see me?
Big up yourself.
Yeah, man, Azzy, man. All the respect, you know, respect and love again, you know, Azzy. Yeah, man, because the team, without the team, this will not happen, you know. One team, you know.
Dream team.
Yeah, man, Azzy, man. That's the thing, them, man. You see?
And it's a love beer, so wait. Boy, you're not stuck out yet. Wait till the barrel reach.
Gotcha, no.
You see me?
Put more shelf in the box.
Wait, we have to put up more shelves.
Love beer, put up more
Love beer.
Love beer.
Big up yourself, Love Beer Station. All the way in Canada.
Yeah, man.
So the people that make sure to tune in to Love.
We have elders.
Yeah.
People coming up, you know. Yeah, man, so we have to give them some porridge in the morning first.
Yeah. And soup.
Yeah, we give them some porridge in the morning first, and then later we just give them forget, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Big up the Love Beer Station.
Love Beer Station.
Music Talk Radio.
Yeah, man.
In Canada.
In Canada. My station, Snoop Station.
Yeah, Dream Team Station.
Everybody's station, you see?
Love Beer.
No fluff, you know. Only for respect to you.
Yeah. Sure.
Dream team, you know, we are out in that.
Alright, wow, chef, because I'm not saying we have some more goodies. We have to go put up some more shelf.
Yeah, man, I put up a next team of shelf. So,
here again,
yeah, man.
From the Well-Blessed family.
Well-Blessed family.
From London.
London.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, Well-Blessed family from London.
Yes, we have rice here. Oh yeah, Well-Blessed family, rice there.
Yes, Well-Blessed family.
Yeah. Baked beans, on top of baked beans. Because you know they always cook your mackerel and baked beans.
Yeah.
There.
Okay.
So this is also from the Well-Blessed family, more beans.
Yes, man.
Beans on top of beans. So we can't run out of beans. Beans on top of beans from the Well-Blessed family.
Well-Blessed family. Yeah, man, come like you come with all the, it's not the right thing, mixed vegetable, you know. Corn and, you know, bean. You see me, I say, only for respecting the Well-Blessed family, you know. Yeah, man, because I do a lot for the gym team, you know.
Yeah.
I do a lot for you know, help out some people, you know, some old people and local people to get blessed up to you. See me, I say?
Yeah. So this way you can remove that and pack anything.
One team, you know.
Yeah, Well-Blessed. And you have, look now, Italian pasta we are see. Lots of pasta from the Well-Blessed family.
Yeah, man, Well-Blessed. Yeah, man.
Pasta on top of pasta.
Pasta, yes, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Well-Blessed family. So big up yourself, Well-Blessed family from London.
Big up yourself from London, you know. Yeah, London, big up Chelsea, England, you know.
Big up.
Big up London, you know.
Yeah.
Well-Blessed family.
Oh, so you have space there, so you have space up the top.
Yeah, space up top of the thing, you know.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kira Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. It's gonna be a better day.